Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in just a sec, I'm going to give you access on the link below to some pretty powerful traffic and lead generation that I've gotten access to recently, and I'm excited about it. I am checking it out. I like what I see so far, and some pretty good things are happening. But like I say, I'm brand new to this, so I'm checking it out, and I'm offering this to you guys to check it out as well. I highly recommend give it a look, check it out. Um, and this is pretty hands-free leads and hands-free commission generation platform, but most importantly it's leads. We all need leads no matter what business you're involved in. Leads are important. If you're not getting leads or eyeballs onto your website, you're not in business. Okay, so I got interested in this because my good friend Richard Daigle, who I've known since 2015, and he's also on the leaderboard in Live Good. Okay, and he's doing incredibly well with Live Good, Richard Daigle, and he and I have worked together on a number of things in the past. Um, and so when Richard's got a good traffic recommendation, I'd like to look, obviously, because Richard knows a lot about traffic generation, and I like what Richard has done. He's been in this industry for a very, very long time, and he's got a lot of experience. So I'm taking a look, and thanks to Richard, he's provided some. Well, it's not Richard's system, but he and I have decided to promote this because it is good, and I've been through it, and I like it. So check it out, guys. I've put this. I've also put this into Mega Marketing Pro. So you can go into Mega Marketing Pro, go to step 2, get traffic, and then down here you'll be able to see the Easy Cash system here as well, and it'll pop up, and you'll be able to jump straight on and check it out. So when you do get access to this, either from on the link below this video via a page like this, or through the Mega Marketing Pro through this system, you'll still get on the same page, and the page will look something like this. Once you get on the inside through the funnel, you'll get on a page like this with some really, really simple steps to follow. Okay, and then they will take it from there. Okay, they basically promote your link, they get your link out there, and you're going to be able to get some leads. Okay, and more importantly, you're also going to be able to get some commissions as well. This is a very, very powerful thing. I love a lot of these traffic generation platforms available on WarriorPlus. I myself have done a lot with WarriorPlus, but I'm not that active. I've got my main focus is obviously my number one focus is Live Good. But obviously, we're in business, and I know a lot of people who are connected with me here on my channel are also in business. And without traffic and without leads, we are not in business. So check out what this system can do for you. And if you're someone who's running an online business, you definitely need eyeballs onto your website, and this is going to help you. All right. So thanks for watching, and get on the link below, and check us out. All right. See you on the inside. Bye for now.